Hello friends, I am Madhu Lakhotia and welcome to my channel Words and Expressions. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I request to stay with us till the end. In this video, we are going to discuss the alternative words and expressions for sorry, the words abscond and haggle, and the expressions account for and through thick and thin. Last day, we have discussed the alternative words for you are welcome. Today, we will begin with how to say sorry differently, or the alternative words and expressions for sorry. Number 1, I owe you an apology. For example, I owe you an apology for what happened with your son. Number 2, it was wrong of me, or it was wrong on my part. For example, I allowed him to go to the nightclub. It was wrong on my part. Number 3, I am terribly sorry, or I am awfully sorry. For example, I am terribly sorry, but I cannot come to his marriage reception. Number 4, it was thoughtless of me, or it was careless of me. For example, it was thoughtless of me to bring that injured dog in our house. Number 5, I sincerely apologize. This is basically used for formal written communications. For example, I sincerely apologize for my mistakes in that important project. Number 6 and the last one, I deeply regret. For example, I deeply regret my behavior. Number 2, abscond. It can be replaced with escape or flee. It means to go away suddenly and secretly in order to escape from somewhere, or because you have stolen something, especially money. For example, 2 prisoners absconded last night. One more example is she absconded from hostel with her lover. The noun for abscond is absconder. Number 3, haggle. It means bargaining, wrangling, or an instance of intense argument. For example, 2 friends were haggling shabbily in the drawing room. One more example is, let's not haggle over a few dollars. Number 4, account for. It is a phrasal verb. It means to explain the reason for something or the cause of something. For example, can you account for your absence last Friday? One more example is, he has to account to his manager for all his movement. Our last expression is through, thick and thin. It means under all conditions, undaunted by anything. The origin of this expression dates back to the 1300s. It is believed that it relates to entering a dark forest. In some places, the trees are thick and overgrown, while in other places, it is sparse and easy to navigate. During this time, the majority of England was covered in wooden areas. It is derived from an old hunting expression, through thicket and thin wood. The thicket is a group of trees or bushes that grow close together. The first recorded use of the phrase can be found in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. We can use it as, she stood by him through thick and thin. One more example is, even though there are rumors that the company is in trouble, we plan to stick it out through thick and thin. Let us give a quick revision. Number 1. Sorry can be replaced with I owe you an apology for. It was wrong of me, or it was wrong on my part. I am terribly sorry, or I am awfully sorry. It was thoughtless of me, or it was careless of me. I sincerely apologize. And the last one, I deeply regret. Word abscond means to go away suddenly and secretly in order to escape from somewhere or because one has stolen something, especially money. The word haggle means bargaining, wrangling, or an instance of intense argument. Account for, it means to explain the reason for something or the cause of something. And the last one, through thick and thin. It means under all conditions, undaunted by anything. So here we have completed today's 5 words and expressions. Any type of suggestions will be highly appreciated. Feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. Thank you.